Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on pins picked for you on your email notification settings on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings. Now click notifications and now click by email. And here you will find it, pins picked for you. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.